that's 1.25 inches. Got this FC in for some ride height adjustment and alignment. And the Megans were kind of seized a little bit. Got it unseized, throwing it back in, raise it up a smidge so we don't ruin these nice T2 fenders. And alignment.
Tommy's got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
Big third gear entry.
No, I know what
Yeah, but you don't have to hit that, right?
Yeah, I guess.
That's got a good point. Where it's technical and advanced without a lot of obstacles.
Yeah. Like you can go off and you hit things. They don't get.
I think drag line up a little bit more. I think it's more
We got a Brent's R33 in here today. Just taking care of some oil leaks. Oil drain on the turbo is leaking a bit, and some valve cover gaskets are leaking, and I'll seal those up.
God, you guys sound stupid.
It's pretty good. You know, got one bolt done, hit a knuckle, and then that one was a lot better. It didn't hit that knuckle. So, you know, it's just going pretty good.
We Ben here removed this turbo drain, and we were just inspecting to see if it was cracked, and it's not, thank God. And yeah, we're just gonna have to reseal it with a new gasket here and bolt it back in, get a new hose, as this one it's probably seen a better day. You know, it's pretty old, so that's not gonna help.
Thanks, Dad.
I'm gonna put it in the future on there.
Are you jealous right now, man?
Yeah, I'm pretty jealous. I hope you break your ankle.
Tommy's got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
So drain is sealed. Just checking the oils, making sure it's full. It is full. Valve covers, gaskets, not here yet. So I'm gonna run. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. I'm gonna have to get a plier here and put that back down there. I don't know how to do that. There's no leaks now. Wow. We're doing the alignment on the FC. Doing a preparation. A little bit of wire brush on the tie rod. Quick little scuff. And a quick deep creep.
We must pay homage to him.
Just finished up the alignment on the FC. Seems to be driving really nice now. Yeah. I don't know what anyone should let us know. I don't have a question like Joel always does. But what should let us know how your alignment is. And if it's f***ed, come to Platform Garage and get an alignment. Comment below if you have a f***ed alignment. Like if you have a f***ed alignment. Like if you have a good alignment. Who even cares? Let's drive out into traffic without looking. Just kidding.